Hi friends, welcome to the channel DUDEAR Academy. Here I am discussing some nursing review questions with answers and the rationale. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. So let us start. The first question, white matter of the cerebrum chiefly contains options: cell bodies, neuroglial cells, myelinated axons, CSF. The right answer is myelinated axons. The two halves of the cerebrum are referred to as cerebral hemispheres, and the outer surface of cerebral hemisphere is referred to as cerebral cortex. It is largely composed of grey matter because of the presence of huge number of nerve cell bodies that are not myelinated. Internally, the sections through brain reveal white matter. It is composed of myelinated nerve fibers that connect different parts of brain. So, here the white matter of the cerebrum contains myelinated nerve fibers. Second question, 1 ounce is equivalent to options: 10.8 grams, 20.5 grams, 28.3 grams, 35.6 grams. Here the right answer is 28.3 grams. 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams. Also, it is equal to 30 ml. So, please remember 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml or 2 tablespoons. That is 1 tablespoon is equal to 15 ml. Then 8 ounce is equal to 1 cup. So these are the additional points to remember related to this topic. So here our question was 1 ounce is equal to how much grams, and the right answer is 28.3 gram. Next question, in parasitic infection, which of the count will be elevated? Options: neutrophil, eosinophil, lymphocyte, monocyte. Here the right answer is eosinophil. Elevated eosinophil counts are associated with parasitic infections and allergic disorders. Elevated neutrophils are seen in acute bacterial infections. Elevated lymphocytes are seen in viral infections, and elevated monocytes are associated with severe bacterial infections. Next question, cardiovascular center in the brain is situated in options: medulla oblongata, cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus. The right answer is medulla oblongata. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain, and it is the seat of intelligence and memory. Cerebellum coordinates the body posture and balance. So, cerebellum coordinates the voluntary movements such as posture and balance. Medulla oblongata is responsible for regulating several basic functions of autonomic nervous system that include the respiration, cardiac function, vasodilation, and some reflexes like vomiting, coughing, sneezing, and swallowing. Hypothalamus regulates the body temperature. Next question, agent that inhibits the growth of microorganism is options: disinfectant, sterilization, antiseptic, moist heat. Here the right answer is antiseptic. Disinfectants are the agents used for removal of all or many pathogenic microorganisms except spores from an inanimate objects. Sterilization is the process of complete destruction of all forms of microorganisms that include bacteria, virus, and spores. Antiseptic are the chemical agents that prevent the infection on wound or skin, normally by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Moist heat is a method of sterilization that kills microorganisms by denaturation and coagulating their proteins. Next question, inverse fever means options: high fever in evening and low in morning, high fever in morning and low fever in evening, high fever at all times, fever which fluctuates within an hour. Here the right answer is high fever in morning and low fever in evening. So inverse fever means it is having the highest range of temperature in the morning and lowest in the evening. Next is the spoon-shaped nail is a sign of options: iron deficiency anemia, folic acid deficiency anemia, pernicious anemia, thalassemia. The right answer is iron deficiency anemia. Spoon-shaped nail is a sign of iron deficiency anemia and it is also known as koilonychia. It refers to a concavity in the fingernail resulting in a depression in the nail that gives an appearance of a spoon shape to the entire nail. Next question, vitiligo is an example of options: papule, macule, nodule, plaque. The right answer is macule. So vitiligo is a chronic skin condition characterized by portions of skin losing their pigment. So it is an example of macule. Macule means skin color change, that is flat non-palpable skin color change, and the color may be brown, white, tan, purple or red. So these are flat non-palpable skin color change. Papules are small and slightly elevated palpable solid mass. Example, moles. It is measuring less than 0.5 cm in diameter. Papules are measuring less than 0.5 cm in diameter. Plaques are elevated areas of skin which may be formed by coalescence of papule. It is seen in psoriasis. Nodules are elevated palpable mass, but it extends deeper into the dermis than a papule. That is, nodules are deeper seated and larger, and it measures more than 0.5 cm in diameter. Most skin tumors are presenting as nodules. So here vitiligo is an example for macule, which are flat non-palpable skin color change. Next question, who said man is a social animal? Options: Aristotle, Socrates, Christo, Plato. Here the right answer is Aristotle. The famous Greek philosopher Aristotle said man is a social animal. Next question, the temperature of oil enema solution to be used is options: 98 degree Fahrenheit, 99 degree Fahrenheit, 100 degree Fahrenheit, 102 degree Fahrenheit. Right answer is 100 degree Fahrenheit. Oil enema is given to soften the fecal matter in case of severe constipation. It is also given before the first bowel movement after operations on rectum and perineum to avoid straining and injuries to sutures and wound. And the solutions used are olive oil, castor oil, etc. And the amount of solution used is 115 to 175 ml. And the temperature of the solution used is 100 degree Fahrenheit. So here the answer is 100 degree Fahrenheit. So these are the important review questions we are discussed in this video. So thank you for watching the video. We are uploading more videos on important questions and answers in nursing with Rationale. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.